Okay, following, let me show you that how to install the cables to those cameras which don't have the free cables. Okay. Okay. Yep, we have to tightly screw it up. Okay. Okay, I also need a screw. Okay, now we finish with for the cameras. Okay. So the cameras also have to connect those cable through the rubber and here, and then it's popping up here. Okay. We'll put it through. Yep. Okay. Okay, now the installation is ready. I'll put back the cover. Okay, now the external cable has been successfully installed for the dome cameras.
And the hole the same this.
We want to show that for this waterproof rubber, we have three parts. This is the head and the middle rubber and the tail. Okay, and as we connecting through these little cables, we have to make sure there's even cut. There's no wire stick out. All right. Okay. So first we go with the tail. As we, one second, let me give you a better light here on it. Okay, so we connect one of the hole to it. However, we make sure that this little cap will pump out sometimes like this. Okay, we have to make sure we put it back because once we're done, the water will leak through it. So when we're connecting to it, you will experience a little bit force. So to better connecting through it, so we rotate it. And if you still experience force, there's another part inside the middle rubber, we just take out, which is making easier for you to connecting the cable through it. However, we rotate a little bit. If you do the force gently, now the cable is free. Okay. Okay, so we put back the tail and finally the cap, the head. Okay, I think we're done. Okay, now we have 44M dome cameras. Here we have a waterproof rubber. As you can see, it comes with the product. And okay, now let us show you that there's two ways of installing the dome cameras. One, we can install like this, then suck to the roof, and the other way we can install the dome cameras on the side of the wall like this. And also we can see there's two cable holes, where one is on the side, the other one on the base. Now first let us try on the side first. Okay, let's stop right there for a moment. Here we can see this is the one of a little rubber that was inside the waterproof rubber. So we just take it out, then we put the cable through it, and then we have to tightly screw it up. And then connect through the rubber groove. And then tightly screw the cap. And we have to make sure it's been tightly screwed, because otherwise we have the water leakage. So after we connect the cable through it, so we put the crystal terminals on the cable. Yeah, now the cable has already been connected. The cable's been connecting through the network port here. Okay, now I'll put it back to the cap. Okay. Now it's done. Yes. Okay. So 你不用做线，直接捅打进去。Okay, I think now, yeah, now I think it's okay now. All right. Okay, so here this is the two ways of installing the external internet cable on the film cameras. Okay.